Cook and Vibe. My name is M. R. This is Cook and Vibe, the craziest cooking channel on YouTube with the most authentic Jamaican and Caribbean food. You know what I'm saying? Yes, people, man. I hope everybody's all right. Yes, this is something I wanted to do. This isn't the most spectacular recipe, but with what I do and the things that I do, I like to show my respect to Jamaican culture and respect to the people and the food by doing very, very authentic recipes. You understand? Yeah, so without further ado, today we are making something called Hominy corn porridge. Yeah, Hominy corn porridge. You're gonna need a whole heap of things for it. Not whole heap, but a couple things. Yeah, and this is something really, really authentic. So I wanted to give you this recipe, share it with you. I've tried it once, I didn't like it. Try it again, my way. You understand? So yeah, man, hominy corn today, people. Let's get into today's ingredients. Yeah, for your ingredients, people. All right, so here we have it, the yellow hominy corn. You get me? It's different, as you can see, from the normal corn. You get me? So we got our hominy corn, and we're gonna want 2 cups of that. Yeah, we got some coconut milk. We're gonna have half a cup of coconut milk. We have some mixed spice. We got 2 cinnamon sticks. We got just over half a cup of whole milk. You get me? We got some vanilla extract. We got some nutmeg, as Jamaicans would call it, nutmeg. And it kills me. Aye, condensed milk as well. Yeah, to sweeten at the end. So that is your ingredients. So what you want to do is the hominy corn. Some people leave it to soak overnight. All right. I learned this recipe from Chef Ricardo. Big up Chef Ricardo every single time. The general. He showed me say it's better if you just cook it in a morning before you do your recipe. So boil this for like an hour and a half. You get me, and then it's more fresh and nice, and that's the preferred way that Chef Ricardo likes to do it. So you don't know, say that is how Cook and Vibe I gotta do it. So first of all, people, yeah man, just hominy corn, 2 cups, and just boil that in some water. We're gonna put the 2 cinnamon sticks in with the corn and let that cook, and it will split when they're ready. Why? As you can see, people, the corn is different. You understand? Yeah. So, why?
Get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why? Well, alright then. So, whilst the hominy corn is cooking, we're gonna put half a cup of coconut milk into here. Alright? And then what we're gonna do is, I always forget one ingredient. Let's guess the missing ingredient, and whoever gets it wins a prize. Today's guess ingredient is corn flour. That's the one I forgot to say. There's always one. So we're gonna put like a nice teaspoon, more than that. A bit more. And just mix that around. Just so it thickens it, you know? Yeah, we just are thickening it a little piece. And then we're gonna add our whole milk. You see me? Just give that a little stir. And then we can add the rest of our ingredients. Why? Yeah! Hominy corn! Whoa, I nearly smashed it then. You know what I'm saying, people? Yes, the hominy corn is boiling. You get me? We've got our coconut milk and milk set to the side. You get me? The cinnamon stick is smelling lovely in there. Why is season 6. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. People, it really, really does mean a lot to me. I put so much work in, and it is so little effort to just press like and subscribe if you haven't already, and sharing it. You see, sharing it, people, just helps so much. From time you watch that on your YouTube, just go to the share button, share it. Post that on your Facebook, post that on your Instagram. Tell your brother, tell your auntie, tell your grandma. Everybody have to watch. Can't cook and vibe though. Why season 6. Get your fix. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Yes, people. So an hour and a half as it's been. You get me? I done called Chef Ricardo and just got the confirmation that we're good to go forward. The cinnamon stick is smelling really nice in there. The corn look like it done now. As you can see. Yeah. So now we're going to do the next steps. Why? All right, people. So this is done now. So what we're going to do is now we're going to add our milk and coconut milk mixture. You understand? Yeah. Little and she nice. Me never seen a girl like this in my life. The way she have a good man surprise, it's like the sitting so good me have to come back twice. Oh gosh, oh she wine. Back it up for me, do it one more time. I only want a girl that can cook and vibe. You know what I'm saying, people? Oh gosh, oh she wine. Back it up for me, do it one more time. And she a bad girl, and me love her for vibes. Hear me, the man? Yo! The style here bad like me new clocks. Any violation get left with some new scars. You do look hot in your new shots. So, yeah, you the main. Yeah. So what we're gonna do once we got our milk mixture in there. Sorry about that, I got a bit carried away there, people. Little bit of mixed spice. Yeah. Mixed spice in there. Nutmeg. You don't know the cinnamon's in there already. You understand? Yeah. Vanilla. Put some vanilla in there now. What? Pretty and she nice. Me never seen a girl like this in my life. The way she a got kid man surprises like this sitting so good me have to come back twice. Oh gosh, oh she wine. Back it up and let me do it one more time. Oh, only what a girl that can cook and buy. The way she back it up, me dash right yell on the side. Oh gosh, oh she wine. I cook and vibes, you know, people. Why? So, right now we're just gonna thicken this up a little bit. You get me? Yeah. Just gonna let this go on for a minute still. Just thinking, do I need anything more of anything? Maybe a little bit more vanilla in there. Yeah. And the only other thing we're gonna add is the condensed milk. So we're pretty much there, man. We're pretty much there. Like I say, we're just giving it 5-6 minutes to kind of thicken up little piece. And we're good to go. Alright then, people, so we're at the last stage now. You get me? Condensed milk, people add however much you want to add in. But I'm going to be honest with you, I like sweetness. Yeah. So like I said, people, I've tried this before. But I didn't like it. So I'm hoping that this made fresh and nice by myself should be nice. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's pretty much there now. And I'll thicken that up for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes. And we are going to serve up for taste time. You know what I'm saying? Why? Season 6, get your fix. Now, I think this is the consistency that I'm going to work with. Now, I know people make it quite thick, But I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm just not a thick porridge person. Yeah, I don't really like the stodginess too much. So I think at this point, I think I'm gonna serve up because there's still a bit of like looseness in there. Now, more time when people are cooking this, they would say, no, make it a little bit thicker, but I don't want to. Because again, I like a little bit of like room to move around, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it's not too stodgy. I find the stodginess is just too much when you're just eating beer stodge. So yeah, man, we are going to run it. No, isn't me? Hominy corn porridge. Why? There we have it. Hominy corn porridge. You get me? Like I say, maybe a little bit thicker to your preference, but for me, I like the looseness a bit. You get me? So yeah, there we have it. Now let's try it. Like I said, I didn't like it before. Hopefully I like this one. Taste time! Ding, 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 ding. Yes! Taste time. Now, it smells really nice. Smells nice. Like I said, I didn't like it before. Like corn, milk and stuff. Again, don't know about that. But, yeah. See, I still don't really like it. It's nice. The flavor's nice. It's the corn. It does taste nice. Like, I could eat this. If I was hungry, I could definitely eat that. But it wouldn't be my preferred porridge. Gonna be honest. But again, not everybody likes everything. You know, some people love this. You get me? As I eat it more, it becomes more enjoyable. I think it's at first, bite down on the corn. The corn's quite like have a substance and like, do you know what I mean? So you have to kind of chew the corn a bit, which put me off at the beginning, but as I eat more, you get used to it. And then the flavors start. I'm not gonna say I don't like that. Clearly. It's actually quite nice. But I prefer cornmeal or peanut porridge. Favourite. But yeah. See how long it's taking me to chew the corn bits. No, man. Surprise. Definitely tastes better than I had it before. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. There you have it, people. Another authentic recipe. Hominy corn. Really nice compared to what I thought. At first bite, I feel like deleting what I said. But I'm not gonna. Yeah. You know what? The more I eat this, the more I like it. That reminds me of rice pudding. It's like rice pudding. But a nice flavourful rice pudding, but obviously the corn a little bit harder. But that is the best way to describe it. So if you like rice pudding, oi, hominy corn is for you. You know what I mean? Big up, big up. All my cooker vibers, just big up, big up. Yeah, man. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Big up, big up. All my cooking vibers, just big up, big up. You don't know, it's the big up section. Yeah, man, once again, big up everybody who supports the thing. You get me? Make sure you subscribe, please, and press that like button, comment and share. It really does help the algorithm. So yeah, this week, big up Lonsip82. You get me? Says Happy New Year, blessings, brother. Love from Cyprus. You get me? So big up the whole of Cyprus. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And also big up Anton Bless. He says, can't wait. Fire emoji. And that's referring to the video where I was saying that there is Cook and Vibe Season 6 coming soon where I'm jumping in the air doing a mad thing. If you've seen that short, check it out. If you ain't seen my shorts, check out my shorts, my YouTube shorts, not the shorts that I'm wearing. All right, you don't know the things that people love and respect, blessings and guidance every single time. I will see you very, very soon with Fully Active. Why?